So hey everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. I'll show you how to use conditioning formatting in Excel step by step with examples that are clear, fun and useful. So we will use a real student's code dataset and transform it with the colors and logic. So let's say for example you're a teacher and you have administered a particular exam to your students and they have scored different scores. So you let's say you have these students in your class, so you have the name here and you also have the score that they got after doing the exam, and you want to check and also examine those who are excelling, those who are above average, those who are below average, and those who are struggling in your class, so to make sure you help them. We use conditioning formatting in Excel to see and highlight those students that you want to see. So what you do is you will come to the section of the score. I have 18 students here. Then you'll go to the Home tab in your Excel, go to the Conditioning Formatting, click on it. Then you will see these functions there that says, let's say, for example, I want to determine or highlight those students who scored more than 80. I'll click on this, then I'll come here and write 80. Then I'll click, you see, once you just write there 80, you can see it highlights those students who scored more than 80. These are the students who are doing very well in your class. Then if you can also want to check those who were above average, you can just write there 50. Then you can see it highlights all the students who scored more than 50. And at the same time, you can look at those who scored below 50. Then you can also check if your averaging is from 60. You can just come there, click on 16, then you can see how many students are doing well, who are above average. You can count them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Those are the students who are scoring more than average. Then those that are below 60 are below average. You can also change the color of this thing. You can go to either red, light red, there is this light red fill, there's the green one. You can also change the color. Once you click on it, it changes automatically. You can also customize formatting. You can do your own things here. You can change the font size, the type of the font, the font type and the font size that you want to use. You can do a lot of things here. You can include the borders and all that, and make sure that you analyze your data well. The next thing that I want us to do is to go back to uh, uh, to conditioning formatting again to find other functions. You can also come here and go to less than. You can also go there, then check those students who scored less than a certain value, like for example 70. You can see here, like you can type here less than 70. You can see those who scored below 70 are here, 43, 51, that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are 10 students in your class who scored below 70, yeah, below 70. And if you also want to check below 50, you can just click on it like that, then it highlights. If you also want to change the colors, you just go there, change your colors like that, then you can see it highlights automatically. There's another function we can also check out in this. You can also go to these other functions here in between: equal to, text that contains edit occurring, duplicate values. You can do so many things on your conditioning. You can also go to data bars where you go here, and now you can also add the scale or the data bars on this. You can just click on it and you can see those that scored higher marks, this full data bar. Then those that scored less or few marks in your class that are below average, you can see these data bars the way they show. You can also undo this. You can go back again. On data bars, you have different colors. You can see there is this section that has solid fill. There's different colors that you can use. That is how easily you can do this. You can also go to the scale, the color scales. The color scales also have different colors that you can use when you're doing conditioning in your Excel data. So that is how simple you can do it. Then you can also go to this function that says new rule. You can also set your new rules. You can come here, and then here you have clear clear chance now to, or clear way you can access, or more authority on how you can access your data, and make sure you play around with it and edit it and analyze it in a big way. So you can check the lowest value to the highest value. You can maybe say, like for example, the lowest value is from type the lowest value to the highest value. You can type there, you can check the lowest value like that, then to the highest value, then okay. You can see it highlights the lowest to the highest value. You can do a lot with this conditioning formatting in Excel. So that is how easy it is. So from the beginning, we have covered on how you can do conditioning on your data in Excel. You have highlighted the top performance. You have used the color scales to show variation. You have also added icons. You can also add the icons. You can just come to the conditioning, highlight the whole data, go there. Then you can go to you can choose a lot of stuffs here. There's new rules, more rules. Go there, pick different stuffs, format only cells that contain. You can do that. You can check in between, and you can check so many things here, top down, and all that. So that is how you can use it. And also, you can do duplication using the conditioning formatting and all sorts of stuffs to your data. So if this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Excel magic, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and happy have a happy formatting, and see you in the next video.